We have been participating for the last 6 years to the CEIE, and we see it as a formidable opportunity. It's a double window. It's a window of the world on China, and it's a window of China on the world. It's the place where you see the best of Chinese innovation, where you see the best of technology. And it's a place for formidable exchange and innovation. We will display innovation that has been created in China, for China and the rest of the world. So we are a proud partner of this exhibit. We have been a long-time player in China. China is now accounting for about 10% of Deenon, so it's our second largest geography, and it's a geography that is extraordinarily important for us. Not only because it's a growth region, it's a region with opportunity, but also because it has become an innovation region. I mean, thanks to the support we got here in Shanghai and in China, we have been over the course of the year developing very strong local innovation capabilities. So China for us is very big. China for us is about innovation, and obviously a very strong supply chain with our 10 factories and with exports also of some device to the rest of the world. We have been growing very fast in the region. If you look at the last half year, China and North Asia were growing at about slightly over 12%. We see China as a growth market to which we are committed and which we are very much enjoying.